Door installation in Pompano Beach, Florida, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in entry door installation Pompano Beach, ensuring that your home is both stylish and secure. With a wide range of custom door replacement Pompano Beach, we cater to all tastes and preferences, providing energy-efficient doors Pompano Beach that help reduce energy costs. For those in need of door replacement services Pompano Beach, our skilled technicians offer comprehensive solutions, including door frame replacement Pompano Beach and door hinge replacement Pompano Beach. We understand the importance of maintaining your doors in top condition, which is why we also provide door maintenance Pompano Beach and door sealing, Pompano Beach services to keep your doors functioning smoothly. Patio door replacement. Pompano Beach is another popular service we offer, allowing you to enjoy the beautiful Florida weather with ease. Our sliding glass door replacement Pompano Beach services ensure that your doors glide effortlessly, while our patio door services include door threshold replacement Pompano Beach and door jamb replacement Pompano Beach for a perfect fit. French door installation. Pompano Beach adds a touch of elegance to any home, and our team is experienced in providing top-notch French door services Pompano Beach. Whether you're looking for storm door installation Pompano Beach or storm door replacement, we have the expertise to protect your home from the elements. Door hardware Pompano Beach is an essential aspect of door functionality and security. We offer door lock installation Pompano Beach and door security upgrade Pompano Beach to keep your home safe. Our door hardware upgrade services ensure that your doors are equipped with the latest technology for peace of mind. Custom door design is a specialty of ours, allowing you to create a unique look for your home. Our door style consultation Pompano Beach services help you choose the perfect design, while our door painting Pompano Beach and door refinishing Pompano Beach services ensure a flawless finish. Energy-efficient doors. Pompano Beach are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our door insulation Pompano Beach services help keep your home comfortable year-round, while our door weatherproofing Pompano Beach solutions protect against the harsh Florida climate. Door alignment. Pompano Beach is crucial for proper door function, and our team is skilled in ensuring your doors are perfectly aligned. We also offer glass door replacement Pompano Beach for those looking to update their door's appearance or improve energy efficiency. Our comprehensive range of door services in Pompano Beach, Florida, ensures that all your door needs are met with professionalism and expertise. From door installation and replacement to custom design and security upgrades, we are your go-to experts for all things doors in Pompano Beach.